Welcome back, gang, point blank, period. Welcome back to another video. Hey guys, do you see, like today I was like, I'm not playing with you wig. I'm still laying it, I'm not done, but like, please get into it. I am busy. I'm busy with my makeup. This wig better not disappoint me because in Gizofa. Yo. Okay. Hi guys. Actually, I lost my glass at my trip with my friend. So I just wanted to show you this thing. This is the box that I received from Justine. If you don't know, I'm a Justine business leader and Justine training ambassador. So we received the new perfume, the Pure perfume that has, I'm coming. This is what the perfume has for her. It has wooden citro floral scent, which is basically an orange, jasmine and violet and cedar wood, musk and amber. So this is for her, the one that I'm gonna be unboxing right now. I'm gonna be unboxing it right now. And the man, it is wooden frozen scent. It has bergamot, violet leaf, Coda wood. This is for him, so it's also in the package. It is this one. So yeah, this is the perfume that I wanted to make. I just wanted to show you this perfume. Like, look at it. Let me unbox it. Okay, I'm unboxing it, but not so cute. But look at it. It's giving Ibu. Hey, you know what? Oh, it has a sticker here. It has a sticker here. Oh, it has a sticker here. That's what it was. Okay, so let's start. Oh! Are you crazy? Oh my god. So gorgeous. Like, so gorgeous. It's giving everything luxury and more. Are you dumb? I love how it smells. Now I wanted to do this thing, but I am running super late. I wanted to do the string thingy, but I'm running late, so I don't think I'll be able to do it. But next time I'm going to do a string and I'm going to show you so that I can have it here and then it stays longer for the perfume and all of those things. So yeah, this is my scent for today. If you see me, just know that I smell pure, the Justine perfume, period. I love you guys so much. I'll see you at the event. I'm going to the Dstv Delicious. Bye. I am in front of Mall of Africa. I'm waiting for my friend. You are today. Okay, the lights. You are shaking, my guy. You are shaking. Like what David and Nikapala again. Ho Leia Murakaso. Nikapala again. Why couldn't I install like this? What David? Yo, Sana. You're shaky, my guy. You're shaky. Hey, Po. Kelly. You are shaky, my guy. Like it's giving my mom Dala. Hey, my mom Ngani. My mom Ngani. It's giving stepmom. It's giving housewife. It's giving what it's supposed to give. Heaven. Can I get me some motor? But anyways, I'm gonna abe so. When you're not abe mupili. Hello. Morning. Hey, Osiwo.
Blink come the thing them call the broken heart. This blessed love will never part. They don't know it from the start. But tell them say I'm dirty, yeah. A Sean Paul and Sasha.
Make me holler, make me sweat. I can't get your tenderness. Still I can't get you off my mind. What is it about you, baby?
I just say dirty love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
Well, I'm always the player, and you know I'm not to stay. That's dirty love.
Mama, she will do the hey. We're heading out. No. Yeah.
Okay, come this way.
Niggas want me to get ratchet. Niggas want me to attack it. Put the hood on, all they calling me Cassius. Aren't you like Bob Saget? Greedy, I can't pass it. Eating everything, nigga, no fastest. On camera, in the past tense.
People YouTube got
Wait, fucking on my ass, pussy, better than this.
Yes, period.
Mind get possessed, let my spirit speak freely. Hey, my past can't escape me. My pussy precedes me. My how the times change. I'm still playing the victim and you still playing the pick me. It's so embarrassing. All of the things I need living inside of me. I can't see it. It's so embarrassing. All of the love I see living inside of me. I can't see. I'm blind. You ain't getting your bitch back. Calm down, shit could be worse, never say that. I don't want pipe down, rather get paid back. Mama told me never shit where you lay at. I don't want righteousness, I hurt too much, I lost too much, I lost too much. I hit my clutch and boom, third day pop out the tomb. I like when you put your gun at the red light. I like all that violence, give me this function.
Kadrage.
I don't go out much, but you should come through tonight. I'm chilling on the west side. Ooh, call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Cause I too on the low.
Broken heart, this blessed love will never part. You don't know it from the start. Me tell them say I'm dirty, yeah. A Sean Paul and Sasha.
Make me holler, you make me sweat. I can't get your tenderness. Still I can't get you off my mind. What is it?
I love the dirty love. When the mom's in a player and you know I'm not a stayer. That's a dirty love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
So girl, they try to understand that a man is just a man. That's a dirty love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
just a loving when me fling control a girl. And I make your head swirl, and I make your body twirl, and I make you wanna be my one and only baby girl. Night after night,
Isolé.
me love to keep you
That's
warm.
one.
Girl, you never get this kind of love
Tsela
from your
Paco.
mom.
Yes. VIP things. Period.
I show you get the little loving of a God.
Don't know how to love me.
You guys can see me. Hey guys, I'm sure I look dark, but I just wanted to give my honest thing. Okay, I took it off literally. I took off this and I took off this, but what I wanted to say was I wanted to give off a Dstv review, but me and Paco, we didn't have a bad experience. We are on VIP. It was nice. We got there on time. We didn't get there like late. So when we arrived, we didn't have problem on entering and all of that. Like there was no problem or whatsoever. And then even moving around was not a problem. Drinks, food didn't run out. Drinks were there, flowing. We even went to the other stage to look at Kabza. It was scrumptious, amazing. We had a great time. I was like, bah, 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 you know? And then what else happened? Oh, we tried to go when Devin Gogo was performing in Maporisa, but it was already full, so they stopped people from getting in. They were like, no more people. But for me, I was not really mad about it because honestly speaking, if there's a lot of people in that venue that accommodates VIP and everyone, and there's no VIP section and there's no general, everybody's just coming in, then if it's too full, then you should close it up. So now I was not mad about that. People were mad about it. I was not mad about it. I had a great experience. Even coming out of the event, because we came just before x.o.x.o finished performing. We didn't have a problem with getting out. Like everything was fine. I had a great experience. And if you're thinking of going to Dstv Delicious, I would say you must go. It was a great experience. I loved every moment of it. And thank you to Paco for inviting me to come with her as a +1. So I had an amazing time. Like, I didn't buy the tickets of VIP, no. I was a +1, honey. Okay. Good night. Bye. Have a great long weekend. I'm hoping you guys are having a great long weekend, okay? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.